Dear God, today I stand on your truth and reject every lie the enemy tries to plant in my mind. Help me remember that I am loved, chosen, and protected by you. When fear, doubt, or shame whisper their lies, silence them with your word. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Isaiah 54:17. Help me exchange fear for faith and heaviness for your peace. Guard my heart and mind as I focus on what is true, noble, and good. Let your peace rule the atmosphere around me and the words within me, so I carry light into every room today. Keep me present, grateful today. Thank you that I am a child of God. Thank you for redeeming me, setting me free, and calling me your own. As John 1:12 says, "Yet to all who did receive him, to those who believed in his name, he gave the right to become children of God." Because of your love, I no longer have to live in fear or shame. I belong to you. Help me to live today in that truth, seeing myself the way you see me, loved, chosen, and secure. Let my identity in you guide my thoughts and actions, and may I walk in the freedom and confidence that comes from being your child. When I feel frustrated and discouraged, thank you for being my joy and strength. As Nehemiah 8:10 says, "The joy of the Lord is your strength." You lift me up when I'm weighed down and remind me that my hope and endurance come from you. Fill my heart with your peace and restore my joy today. Help me to lean on you in every moment, knowing that you are my constant source of encouragement and renewal, no matter what I face. In Jesus' name, amen.